In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel FTMO subscription. If you've been looking for a cancel button like you would with a streaming app, here's the key thing to understand first. FTMO is not a typical monthly subscription. In most cases, there's no recurring fee. You usually pay a one-time fee for a challenge, which means there often isn't anything ongoing to cancel at all. Let's start with the most common situation, the free trial. You don't actually cancel a free trial. Instead, you manage it inside your FTMO client area. Log into your client area, head to your list of accounts, select the free trial, and choose Hide Account. That removes it from your dashboard. If you'd rather not do anything, that's fine too. The free trial simply expires on its own after 14 days. Either way, there are no charges, nothing continues in the background, and there's nothing left to pay. FTMO explains that trials can be hidden or will naturally expire. They're not treated like monthly subscriptions. Now let's talk about the paid FTMO challenge. If you've paid the fee and the account has been created or trading has started, you usually can't cancel it for a refund. That fee is a one-time payment. Because it isn't a subscription, there's no renewal coming up and no automatic billing cycle to stop. If you don't want to proceed, the practical move is simply to stop trading, ignore the account, and do nothing further. Your card won't be charged again. FTMO is clear that the challenge fee is one-time and not recurring, so there's no subscription switch to flip off. To make this easy to remember, think of FTMO as a set of one-time challenges rather than a service you subscribe to monthly. Free trials can be hidden or left to expire after 2 weeks with no cost. Paid challenges don't renew automatically, and once started, they typically aren't refundable. That's why you won't find a traditional cancel option like you would for a monthly membership. So if you came here worried about a renewal, you can relax. Check your FTMO client area, hide the trial if you want your dashboard tidy, or simply let it expire. And if you've purchased a challenge but don't want to continue, just stop trading. There's nothing else to turn off. FTMO's system is designed around one-time fees, not ongoing subscriptions, and that's the simplest way to think about it.